Alright, so doing some cleanup on the frame on the old Silverado. Clean up this rocker panel. She hasn't quite broken through. There's one little spot that looks sketch. Back on the cab corner. I have to get the Pocatron 9000 out. But I knocked most of the crap off the frame. I'll hit it some more. Get some rust up, pardon. And I guess we'll go from there. Let's just try to slow it down a little bit. Because basically the truck's pretty cool. Got all new brake lines, all the brakes have been done, front end's been done. Just needs to be cleaned up. So I think that's going to be my project. Stay tuned. So like this is what I'm up against. It's not really up against, they all do this. It's really not that bad. It's just kind of surfacey, rusty. So I'm just gonna scrape off the crust. I think about getting a new cab mount. Cab corner looks like I'm just gonna sand it. It's a little bubbly. What you gonna do? Well, it's not too horrible. Front drive shaft is nasty. Let's change the oil. I noticed that, but anyway, keep scraping at it. So this is what I was talking about with the drive shaft. If you look at it, it looks like really scaly, crusty. It's weird. So I'm gonna like try to clean that up. I don't know if I'm gonna pull it out and get it redone. I'm noodling. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so here's where we stand with the rust situation. I think I'm just gonna do a cleanup on aisle 9. Probably can't see shit. I'm gonna get in here and just kind of clean it up with a wire brush. Throw some rust treatment on it. I got various kinds of goo. Coat the frame as best I can. And the other side's the really bad side, so I'm just gonna kind of do the best I can. Fix that hole up there where that cable comes through. I forget what the hell that's even for. So anyway, yeah, that, and I'm gonna probably paint up the frame. But eventually I'm gonna pull the bed because I'm gonna have to do the cab corner on the other side and the rocker because they're both completely rotted out. I'll shoot some video of that in a minute. So it's pretty toasted. This is the cab corner. So she's not good. Yeah. So anyway, I got that piece. I have a replacement, and the rocker is blown out right here. So I have a new complete rocker. So I have to cut all that out, and weld it. I have to get a tank of gas. But that's in the very near future before it gets too cold.